Named after the world's tallest peak, Project Everest aims to elevate your Android experience to new heights with its innovative features and optimizations.
The VEREST TV.
Before you proceed with the custom ROM installation, make sure you have an unlocked bootloader and a pre-installed custom recovery, like ORANGEFOX recovery. If you don't have, you can check our separate tutorial for the bootloader unlocking and installation of custom recovery. Link will be provided in the description box below.
To install Project Everest Custom ROM, you need to download the flashable file. Download link is provided in the description box. Download and save the flashable file in the internal storage of Redmi Note 13 Pro. Now power off the device and reboot to ORANGEFOX recovery by pressing the power button and volume up simultaneously until you see the ORANGEFOX logo. Inside ORANGEFOX recovery, find the flashable file you downloaded and simply flash it without changing any settings in the recovery. Flashing may take a while, so just wait until it's finished. Once done flashing, go back to home and proceed to wipe the one with trash bin icon, then select Format Data tab and type Yes to proceed wiping the data. After wiping, you are now safe to reboot to system. There you go. You have now successfully installed the Project Everest Custom ROM on your Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. Just set it up like new. Here's a quick preview of the ROM. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers!